Join us Saturday, December 16th from 9 to 12. We'll be having an open house.
We're going to have a Grinch breakfast theme.
We'll be having a bounce house and snow come out so you can play in the snow.
We're going to have 6 tons of snow, so please come out and enjoy yourself. We're going to have an elf that's going to do balloon animals and so much other exciting things for you planned that day.
So bring the whole family. We will also be having tours available for you can come out and see the inside of our center.
We have changed a lot in this new facility. We also have cameras for you to be able to log in and see your kids wherever you're at.
We'll be enrolling infants through 12-year-olds.
So come on by on December 16th from 9 to noon to see this amazing new facility on 7100 West Chandler Boulevard in Chandler, 85226 on I-10 and Chandler Boulevard. See you then.
Come on in.